Ever wondered why we snore? Snoring happens when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially blocked. During sleep, this blockage causes the surrounding tissues to vibrate, producing that familiar snoring sound. But why does this blockage occur? Several reasons. Firstly, the position you sleep in matters. Sleeping on your back can make the tongue and soft tissues collapse to the back of your throat, causing a blockage. Secondly, being overweight can add extra tissue in the throat, narrowing the airway. Thirdly, alcohol and sedatives relax the muscles in your throat too much, leading to more vibrations.